So I ordered 20 of these Ryobi batteries from batteryhookup.com, link in the description. I got them at a $1.50 each. This is a screenshot because these aren't on their website anymore. There's 5 18650s in them each, and I ordered 20 of them, so that's 100 cells. That combined with all of these ones that I got from work and from other batteries and other projects that I had, that ought to be enough to make me a new e-bike battery. We'll see. While getting these batteries from Battery Hookup was definitely the biggest source of batteries for this project, I'm gonna need 154 of them, I think. But I also had to get some more batteries. Like I got some from my job. They were getting rid of a bunch of old camera batteries, and I got some from some old drill batteries that I had. Whenever you're building one of these big batteries like I'm going for, you need to spend a lot of time collecting these batteries.
See, basically what I'm doing is I'm grabbing it with the pliers, and then I'm kind of turning the pliers. And that's how I'm pulling the welds up. Yeah. Sometimes you get it to peel like that, which kind of sucks when that happens, but if you're good, you can get it done without any of those. But whenever you get those, you just go back, nice and careful, just pick those off.
This is 137 cells that I got from my job, and more than half of them are bad. When you're recycling these kind of batteries, even when you're getting them from a reputable seller like batteryhookup.com, you're still rolling the dice. So for all I know, all the cells in all these batteries could be bad, which is still extremely unlikely, but it's still technically possible. But the only way to find out is to take them apart and get the cells out. The process of taking all of these drill batteries apart to get the cells out is extremely tedious. I had 20 of these batteries, and some people do projects with these where they have like a 50 or 100 of these. Overall, these they took me about 2 hours to do all of them. Once you've gotten 1 or 2 of them down, you'll have a process going, and you'll be able to go through them really quickly. The tools that I needed this security torque set that I got from Harbor Freight, this green one. And you want like a kind of stout pair of wire cutters for pulling off the nickel stripping. You'll also maybe need a small screwdriver for taking off any like circuit boards or anything like that. Other things you want to keep around are just like a flathead screwdriver and like a razor. These are the spoils of my labor. I decided to build up all the screws, and I put all the plastics and also the battery management boards in this box. And here's the part that we're really here for, the 18650 batteries. This is about 100 of them. I have never had this many in this good a condition.
Should be 100 cells in there. Alright guys, we got all the cells back here with the charger. I've had this bank gone for a little while. Let's see how they look. So that one charged up good. That one charged up, charged. Looks like all these are charged. Now I'll just keep cycling through them, and then once that's all done, I can start discharging all of these together and cycle them to see which ones are good and bad. These are all the ones that I know are bad, unfortunately. I know that these ones are all bad because they were all either negative voltage and couldn't be recovered, or 0 volts and couldn't be recovered, or they just threw an error to my charger, or they were like they started getting really hot when I was charging them. So that's all of these. And yeah, it sucks because I know that there's bad ones among this, so that's only gonna get bigger. Hey, if building the battery doesn't work out, at least I can build a fort with these. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.